set up Apple Watch. I want it on my left wrist. It does. Just taking its time. Okay, so I agree terms and conditions. And enter my password. So I'm going to cut this part here. Okay, so I need to location services. I'm happy with that. So okay, and yeah, we'll use Siri. Yeah, so everything automatically. That's fine. Create a passcode. I don't think I need that. What do I need? Can I manage that? Right, so put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that works. I'm going to put 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. Do you want to unlock Apple Watch with your iPhone? Sure, why not? And I'm going to choose later which apps to install. So let's see information and I'll be back in a few minutes when.
Awesome Apple Watch Series 2 giveaway. So let's just start off with dunking it down. Get it all stirred around there, make sure it gets water everywhere so it has a full test. And look, it works. The screen display works. Force touch works. Siri works. Look, Siri works. And what's interesting is when you submerge the screen, it automatically turns off the screen. So even if you just turn it on, it goes right underneath and turns off. And now we're going to take the water out using this technology where you use the crown and it sends the sound waves to take out the water out of the speaker. That way you can actually be able to use it and it won't damage the product. So after I dried off the watch, I found some water in the band, where the bands are being held of the watch. So you gotta keep in mind that there is gonna be water. You can see there's just a little bit of moisture in the band, so you're gonna have to eventually dry it off, or it will build up some calcium or whatnot. So definitely clean off the inside of